Well, hello YouTube. Welcome back to the Bison Workshop. It's about 7 in the morning and I've been up all night worrying my ass off, and this has got to stop. Yesterday I showed you guys the flood. Well, that wasn't nothing compared to what I have now. I'm sure everybody has seen my trailer beside my shop, which is now in water. We have water coming up here to the trailer, and it's right past the trailer and almost to the edge of the shop. Clear up is nothing but a river, and it is flowing hard. There's actually a bank right on the other side of this little stump. Well, big stump. It's a big stump. It's not little. And it goes about 3 or 4 feet below the water line. It's up in my yard here. The sad part about this is I'm almost out of propane. I depend on propane for cooking and heating my house. I've got my heat off now simply because I'm down to about 3% of propane in my tank. They were supposed to deliver it today. When I first got propane, they told me that delivery date was on Fridays. I called them Friday and they put it off till today. Now they can't deliver. So now I can't run no gas. And it's still raining. It don't look like it's ever gonna let up. And I'm not gonna be able to get no gas today, simply because I honestly believe God has a vendetta against me, even if there is a such thing. I'm not real sure there is, but I'm going to take you for a walk here and let you see. My truck was sitting right here. My front wheels was right here. And the water came up to right there. I had to move my truck over there. Simply because I don't know when this ends. I think I made one very huge mistake moving here, and I won't be here long. This year just set it in stone. I'll be looking for a new place to live. I can't deal with this. This is bullshit. You know, somebody could have told me that this is what happened before I moved here, and I probably wouldn't have moved here. But as it stands, if there was an emergency, we have houses back there that we got one woman that's pregnant. If she had difficulties right now, she would be screwed. There's no way out of here. There's no way in here. They would have to come in here with a helicopter to get anybody if something was to happen health-wise. And you can see right there, my yard is flooded. It's almost my whole yard. It actually was a little bit worse than this about an hour ago. It's starting to let up and go down, but it's still raining, drizzling. But let's go over here and show you the walking bridge that I was walking on yesterday. My box is gone. It's nowhere to be found. My trash box was sitting right there, and it's not there no more. It's done washed downstream, so now I have to call them, Waste Management, and have them send me a new sticker, and I guess I'm gonna have to put it up there next to the bridge that I just came across. But this is ridiculous, man. This is quite possibly the worst flooding I've seen, for me personally. I've never seen anything like this. This is just unreal. But you can see it's went down. You can see this line of leaves right here. This is where it came to. And there's our walking bridge. You can't get on it. If you was to step into that, it would probably knock you off your feet. It's moving that hard. God forbid you go over into there. You'd be in trouble if you got knocked into that water. And it would probably kill you, because it'd probably take you down there and hit that one of those steel beams on that bridge and probably hurt you real bad if it don't kill you. But I've tried to find my box, and my box is gone. It's either trapped underneath the bridge, or it went on downstream. But regardless, my box is gone. So, and yes, Bob told me that it would probably happen, but I mean, I seen flooding, but it always missed my box. So I didn't really think that it was that big of an issue. And if I'd have thought it was that serious of an issue, I probably would have moved the box somewhere else. But I just wanted to show you guys this, man. I'm utterly amazed at this. People shouldn't have to live like this. This just ruined. I mean, I was already having my doubts about being able to stay here, but as soon as I find me another place, I'm out of here, man. So this means that I'm gonna have to move yet one more time. I'm getting sick of moving. And yeah, I can't live like this. This is ridiculous. You know, if I need to go somewhere, I want to go somewhere. I don't want to have to wait until the water goes down before I can go anywhere. Now, I'm not going to be able to get no gas today. Wow. This is ridiculous. Yeah, I'm mad. I'm aggravated. I can't seem to catch a break, guys. So, worst part about it is well, I ain't even gonna get into that. There's a place I could be, but I got a piece of shit for a family, and I ain't afraid to say it. I do. My family's trash. But this is what I woke up. Well, I haven't been to sleep, so this is what the light shined on, because I've been up worrying my ass off about how far this was going to go, because I didn't want it to go in my shop. And I think it's going down. According to that line of leaves down there, it is going down, but it's not going to go down in time for the gas company to bring gas to my house. and now my axle is underwater and I can't stand rust. To me, rust is no good. You guys ain't going out of here. Yeah, you're not going nowhere. You might as well turn around and go back home. Wow. Yesterday I could have walked right up to the edge of that. Anyway guys, I just wanted to show you guys that. Yeah, it's got my trailer in the water. I don't like my trailer. I worked hard on that trailer. It ain't gonna hurt it, but it's sure gonna speed up a rust process. So let's walk around here to the other side of the shop. This is nothing but a freaking swamp around here, man. And as soon as I can, I'm out of here, man. We were lacking about 4 feet of making it to the shop. Yep, there's my trailer in the water. Jeez. Wow. I hope it goes down, but I don't see it going down far enough for them to get in here to put gas in my tank. I knew they should have brought it Friday. I called them Friday and asked them if they'd bring it. Begged them to bring it. The lazy son of a bitches could have brought it Friday. When I first got gas, they told me Friday was delivery dates. It's the day they deliver in this area. They lied to me. So, because they put it off, now I'm in trouble. So, let me go check that. Yeah, buddy. I can't catch a break, guys. I don't think there's a place on this planet that I belong. I think everywhere I go, there's going to be major stuff like this that's going to be a hindrance to me. I can't even express words for what I'm thinking right now. I'm aggravated, I'm pissed, and feel like I don't belong nowhere. So, So there you have it, guys. This is the kind of shit that Bison Workshop has to deal with. So, I guess I'm back to the drawing board, because I'm not staying in a place that this happens every time it rains. Every single time it rains, that bridge goes underwater. Whether it's cleared out or not. You know, I don't want to deal with this. This is not something that I signed on for. I'd like to find a place where I'm at peace and not have to deal with shit like this. No one should have to deal with stupid shit like this. Anyway, guys, sorry I had y'all up there. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and yes, make sure you hit that dislike. From now on, the numbers on my dislike and likes will be hidden, and if it keeps up, I'm gonna turn comments off too on all my videos. I'm getting to the point where I'm just aggravated. You know, I can't even get anything to the mailbox to send you guys your stuff, man. And you know, they don't even care. I've got people right now, because USPS is running slow, I've got people complaining they ain't getting it and wanting me to send them another one for free, so that when they do finally get the first one, they get 2 of them for half the price. So I can't win for losing, guys. Anyway, you guys have a good one. I certainly ain't.